Welcome back. Just a day after Election Commission booked Maharashtra BJP leader Vinod Tavde in an alleged cash for votes, now the BJP has raked up Bitcoin misuse. On the eve of polling day, BJP accused NCP SP leader Supriya Sule and Maharashtra Congress president Nana Patole of illegal Bitcoin activities to influence the polls. The allegations come after a former IPS officer, Ravindranath Patil, claimed that Sule and Patole had misused bitcoins to finance Maharashtra elections. Patil is someone who's been charged in a 2018 cryptocurrency fraud case, and he claims that these cryptocurrency funds were also utilized during Lok Sabha polls in Maharashtra. Now, in a presser conducted by the BJP leader Sudhanshu Trivedi, an audio was played where purportedly Supriya Sule is asking to encash bitcoins to fund the elections. Now, BJP further posed 5 questions to Supriya Sule, hinting at a broader nexus. However, Supriya Sule had come out and categorically denied the allegations, calling it a familiar tactic by BJP to manipulate voters. She has filed a criminal complaint with Election Commission and the Cybercrime Department. Now, NCP SP spokesperson Clyde Crasto also slammed the BJP of hitting below the belt and election frustration.
How do you see the kind of allegation that has leveled against you? So please react on that.
They are fake.
We'll take one by one.
There were 5 questions asked to you.
I am happy to answer all 5. I've already answered them. I've sent a notice.
Ma'am, also we see the timing also. How do you respond to the timing in which the sequence has come in where we are seeing...
Your question only answers.
What are your next steps, ma'am?
No, I've sent a defamation notice.
Right. Also, did you complain to ECI, the cybercrime?
I've already done that. I've tweeted everything. So I've tweeted, I've sent, and I've spoken to the media extensively.
Just a short while back, Supriya ji, you were saying that you are the one in the parliament to always question on Bitcoin.
Not just Bitcoins, cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, all these digital currencies. I've always spoken against.
And your name is emerging in the scam.
Yeah, it's a fake allegation which I've challenged.
Right. What are your next steps, ma'am? What are you going
to
do?
police. I've already
Because
said
we
what
see
I'm going to
Ajit Pawar is also spoken that your the voice is
He's
similar.
Ajit Pawar, Ramakrishna Hari.
All right, Clyde Crasto joins me on the broadcast this morning. Mr. Crasto, thank you very much for taking the time out and speaking to us here on Mirror Now. What do you make of these allegations?
Well, these are allegations that are baseless. These are doctored voices. Bharatiya Janata Party has stooped to the lowest ebb that is possible in a democratic setup during elections. Bharatiya Janata Party knows that it is going to lose the elections in Maharashtra. Therefore, it is resorting to all these kind of tactics. We will take this up with the Election Commission. We've already written a letter to the Election Commission. We will go to the courts and make sure that these kind of things don't happen in the future. You want to fight an election, you want to be a part of democracy, do it in a free and fair way. Why stoop to such lower levels? If the people of Maharashtra have decided to vote against you, they will do so come what may. The Bharatiya Janata Party can try all these tactics, but it's not going to work. People of Maharashtra prove that they do not go with the Bharatiya Janata Party in the Lok Sabha in Maharashtra. They will do the same in the Vidhan Sabha elections now. And any tactic like this will only make sure that the people begin to dislike the Bharatiya Janata Party further.
Mr. Crasto, as you pointed out, you're also alleging that it is poll frustration of the BJP. Why do you think so?
Frustration openly, because they know that they have been rejected by the people of Maharashtra. Their own survey shows that they're not going to win these elections. So what do they do? Things like, how Mr. Anil Deshmukh, a former Home Minister of Maharashtra, was attacked. Okay. Yesterday, Vinod Tavde was caught distributing cash. It is right there, visuals in front of you. Your channels are showing it. I have done debates on your channel. It is showing there. So they are resorting to all these kind of tactics, trying to buy votes, and false publicity. These are things that they're doing.
Mr. Crasto, with the fact that Ajit Pawar also reacted over these allegations a while ago by stating that, he can confirm in, his capacity that after all, it is Supriya's voice. What do you make of a statement like that?
Well, I'll tell you something, with all due respect to Mr. Ajit Pawar, we all know Supriya Tai's voice. Okay, and I'm telling you, he's the brother, yes, but I'm also a father of Mr. Sharad Pawar and Mr. Supriya Sule. We know how their voices are. Even I know how Ajit Pawarji's voices. These are absolutely doctored voices. Nothing in that. He can say what he wants to say. We will go to the courts. We will go to the election commission and let them prove.
All right, Mr. Krasler, thank you very much for taking the time out and joining us this morning and sharing with us a quick perspective as to what you make of this. But as far as those reactions also that did come in earlier, let's listen into those.
पहले वो ये बताएं कि जो इस वीडियो क्लिप में और ऑडियो क्लिप में दिखाई पड़ रहा है, क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी अथवा उनके किसी भी नेता जो यहां पर नाना पटोले जी और सुप्रिया सुले जी के बारे में दावा किया गया है, क्या वो बिटकॉइन के किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन में इन्वॉल्व हैं या नहीं, और यदि हैं तो वो लीगल ट्रांजैक्शन है या वो इलीगल ट्रांजैक्शन में भी इन्वॉल्व है। पॉइंट नंबर 1, पहले उनको आके साफ साफ जवाब देना चाहिए, क्या वो बिटकॉइन के किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन से उनका कोई लेना देना है, हां या ना। उन्हें सीधे आकर यह बात कहना चाहिए।
तो अचानक उस केस में एक हमारे खिलाफ विटनेस था जिसका नाम था गौरव मेहता। ये एक सारथन एसोसिएट्स करके एक ऑडिट फर्म है, उसका एक एम्प्लॉय है, और उसके एक सिग्नल अकाउंट से मुझे एक मैसेज आया। 4-5 घंटे मुझे कॉल आते गए, मैसेज आते गए, मैंने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया। फिर मैंने उसको जब रिस्पॉन्ड किया तब उसका मुझे चैटिंग शुरू हुआ। उसने मुझे बताया कि सर आप मुझे जानते हो क्या, मैं ये हूँ। अभी मैं ऑलरेडी 14 महीने गुजार चुका हूँ, तो मुझे भी डर था, तो मैं बहुत कॉशियसली उसके साथ चैटिंग कर रहा था। तो उसने मुझे बताना शुरू किया, सर ऐसा है कि 2018 में अमित भारद्वाज को जब अरेस्ट किया गया था तो उसके पास एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी वॉलेट था, हार्डवेयर वॉलेट, जो वॉलेट का मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन तभी हुआ था उसी पीरियड में, और वो वॉलेट उस समय के जो कमिश्नर थे अमिताभ गुप्ता, उन्होंने रिप्लेस करवाया और दूसरा वॉलेट कहीं तो लेके रखा है। उसी केस में हम लोगों को अरेस्ट हुई, लेकिन रियल परपिट्रेटर्स या उसके जो असली उस गुनहगार जो है वो अमिताभ गुप्ता और उनकी टीम थी। भाग्यश्री नवटाके और अमिताभ गुप्ता, 2 IPS अफसर का नाम उसने स्पेसिफिकली लिया, लेकिन तभी भी मैंने भरोसा नहीं किया। उसने बाद में बोला कि ये पैसा जो है बिटकॉइन का, ये गौरव मेहता कह रहा है, और उसने ये कहा कि ये पैसा जो है बाद में महाराष्ट्र के लोकसभा इलेक्शन में फंडिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल हुआ। उसने 2 लोगों के नाम लिए, एक नाम लिया सुप्रिया सुले का।
के बारे में जो कुछ ऑडियो दिखा रहे हैं वो आवाज़ के बारे में मुझे इतना ही जानकारी है। मैं दोनों को भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ। एक तो मेरी परिवार की मेरी बहन है, और दूसरे हमने जिनके साथ बहुत साल काम किया है, एक दूसरे के विरोध में भी किया है, एक दूसरे के साथ भी किया है, महाविकास आघाड़ी में भी किया है। वो भी आवाज़ उनका ही है, उनका बोलने का टोन, उनका आवाज़ दोनों का वही है। अभी इसके बारे में इंक्वायरी हो जाएगी, इंक्वायरी होने के बाद पता चलेगा।
All right, from the politics as far as what's happening in the by-assembly